Welcome dear students, and in today's class let us solve one of the questions. How do we find arithmetic mean by using direct method for this following data? So they have given the data of a student's marks. This is first one, XI marks 10, 20, 36. These are the marks up to 95 marks. 10 marks, how many students have got? One student. 20 marks, one student have got. 56, two students have got. And 70, four students have got 70 marks. So like that, they have given data, information about, raw data about a student's marks of a class, particular class. Now we have to find arithmetic mean by using direct method. Now this has to be tabularized. What should we do now? We have to classify this data by using table. So in tabular form, we have to classify all this data. This is the raw data. Now let us see. First of all, what do we get? We take firstly marks, that is xi, x. Secondly, number of students, that is fi. This is xi. And you know that once remind the formula first. When you are going to classify the given data, you please recall the formula first. Then only you can understand how many columns have to be drawn. And what is the formula to find arithmetic mean by using direct method? That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. You know that is x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi is nothing but sum of the frequencies. Yes, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Yes, what is that? Let us see now one method. Means first of all, in numerator, check the numerator of the formula, that is sigma fi xi. So first of all, you should find the product of fi and xi. Okay, let us find the product of fi and xi. That's enough. Why? Because we require only sigma fi xi, only the product of these results. Now write the values. First of all, 10, 20, 36, 40, and it is 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 85, it's 88, okay, 88, 92 and 95. Yes. Now let us take number of students. These are nothing but fi values. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yes. Now just find the product of fi and xi. Very simple. So this is very easy formula, and if you get in the examination, easily every student can understand easily. Every student can attempt the question with confidently. No problem. Very simple. fi xi. Just find the product. fi xi multiplication. The product of these two results. 10 into 1, 10. 20 1s are 20. 36 3s are. You have to multiply. 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 90. 90 plus 18, 108. 44s are 160. 53s are 150. 56 2s are 112. 64s are, that is 4 6 are 240. 280. 72. 81s are 80. 88 2s are 176. 92 3s are, it is a 6. 3 9s are 18. 186. 3 9s are 27. That is 276. 95 ones are 95. Now let us find the sum, because in the formula we have x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is nothing but summation of this result find the sum. 0, 8 to 10, 12, 6, 18, 6, 24 plus 5, 29. 2 is left here. 9 plus 2, 11, 7, 18, 7, 25, 33, 40, 48, 52, 53, 58, 64, and 66, 67. This is 6 is left here. 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 11 to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So finally we have got x bar is equals to, that is main, using direct method, sigma fi xi, that is 1779 by sigma fi, means sum of the frequencies. What is the total sum of these frequencies? Let us find. 1 plus 3, 4 to 6, 7, 8, 4, 12, 4, 16 to 18, 3, 21, 25, 3, 28, 29, 30. So total 30. That is sum of frequency sigma fi. You can now just divide this, cancel this. First of all, let us cancel by 10 table, or just when you cancel 0 in the denominator, if you cancel 0 in the denominator, you get one decimal point. When you cancel 0, you get one decimal point in the numerator. So that becomes 177.9 by 3. Now you check by 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 2 is left out of 17, 2 7 27, that is 3 9s are 27, decimal point is there, and 3 3s are 9, and finally we get 59.3. So this is arithmetic mean of this data. We got this arithmetic mean of this data by using direct method formula. And the formula, once again, if you practice and practice and practice, then only you will get perfection. That's why, my dear students, practice all the formulae perfectly. So the answer is 59.3. So that's it. So this is one of the example problem. And let us discuss one more example problem by using deviation method. So after deviation method, we go for assumed mean method. Let us see one more question, one more example problem. Here the data is given, but it is group data. Now for group data, how do we find arithmetic mean? By using direct method. Let us see. Here class interval is there and number of students are given. So the number of students are number of students are 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Now let us take this data. Let us classify by using tables. That is class interval. Yes, we know that class interval is given, and number of students. We know that this number of students are always denoted by Fi. Generally, frequencies will be in not an order. The frequencies will be in irregular form, irregular order. Ascending, descending, ascending, zigzag order. No ascending order, no descending order, no formation, no uniform. Frequencies are always will be in up and downs like that. Different word. The values which are in different form, like a zigzag order, such type of values are called frequencies, isn't it? 2 3 7, 2 3 7, 6 6 6, like this. So you can take, actually f frequency, f is not given in the question itself, but you can say that this is frequency, these are frequencies. Means frequency shows frequency tells the number, quantity, number of quantity. So these are the students, number of students. So these students can be taken as frequency Fi. Now let us substitute the value. 10 to 25 and is 25 to 40 and 40 to 55 and 55 to 70, and the 70 to 85, and it is 85 to 100. Yes, number of students 2, 3, 7 and 6, 6. This frequency is there. And actually, what is the formula to find arithmetic mean in direct method? That is a plus the direct method, direct sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is the formula? Once again remind. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Just now we have discussed one question for ungrouped data, which is raw data. And once again you write the formula. That is mean is equals to x bar is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now fi is known, but xi, we don't have xi in the question. The question itself not given. That xi value we have to find. What does xi represent? What does xi represent? What is the meaning? Which values should be taken as xi? Let us see. That xi is nothing but mid value of the class. So these are the class. So that is class marks. Class marks. Xi is nothing but class marks. Which type of marks here? This is the class interval 10 to 25. It is a class. The mid value of this class. What is the mid value? How do we find? Mid value means sum of these two observations. You can say, you can find here xi is equal to first value plus second value. Do you know what do we call the first value? Left side value is always called as lower limit. Lower limit. Right side value is called as upper limit. Upper limit right side, lower limit left side. The sum of these two limits. The sum of the two limits by 2, because by 2, because it should be half of this sum, half of the sum. So that is 10 plus 25, 35. 35 by 2 means it is 17.5. You can take it is 17.5. That's it. And nextly also follow the same manner. 25 plus 40. 40 plus 25, 65. 65 half. What is the half of 65? 32.5. That is 32.5. Actually, it is enough to find first value for x. Remaining values you no need to solve like this. No need to calculate. Directly we can see. How? It's very easy. First of all, observe the class interval. What is the class interval? What is the height of the classes? 25, 40, 55, 70, 85. 25, 40 means what is the height of the class? 15. Difference 40 to 55. 15 means the difference is 15. It is go on increasing. How much value? 15. So very simple. Just you go on adding 15 for all the values. 17.5 plus 15, 32.5. 32 point plus 15, that is 47.5. And again 15, you get 62.5. And again 15, 77.5. And again 15, 92.5. So it's very easy. Because without calculating, we can save our time. Because find the, just of all, observe the difference heights of the classes. If it is 10, you go on adding 10. But first value must be done. First value calculation should be done here. Then only you go on adding. If the difference is 10, if the height of the class is 10, go on adding 10. If it is 20, you go on adding 20. Here we have got 15. That's why we have added 15, 15, 15. That's it. Now coming to the formula. What is the formula? This is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is fi xi represent? Summation of fi xi. But do you have fi xi in the table? No. So let us find fi xi. Fi and xi. Find the product of these two results, just like the previous question. Multiplication. 17.5 into 2, that is 35. 3 into 32.5. 3 5 is a 15. 3 2 6 1 7. 3 3 is a 9. and 7 5 is 35, 7 7 is 49 plus 3 52, 7 4 is 28 plus 5 33, and next 6 into 62.5, 6 5 is 30, and 6 to 12 plus 3 15, 1 6 is 36 plus 1 37, and next 6 5 is 30, 6 7 is 42 plus 3 45, 4 is left, 6 7 is 42 plus 4 46, just a calculation multiplication, 6 table again, 6 5 is 30, 6 to 12 plus 3 15, 1 is left, 6 9 is 54 plus 1 55. Finally we have got all the results. Just to find the summation, find the sum of all the results. Let us find. Here 5, it is not there, 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1, 1 plus 5 6 plus 5 11, 5 16, 2 18, 7 25, 5 33, 3 is there, 3 5 8, we can write here, that is 3 5 8, 6 14, 7 21, 3 24, and 9 33, 3 36. So we can write here 3 is left, 3 5 8 plus 4 12 plus 3 15 plus 3 18. So finally we have got 1863. Once again let us check. 5 plus 5 10, okay, 1, 1 plus 5 6 plus 5 11 plus 5 16 plus 2 18 plus 7 25 plus 5 30, this is 33, 3 plus 5 8 plus 6 14 plus 7 21 plus 24 and 33 plus 3 36, 6 is here, and 3 3 5 8 4 12 3 15 3 18 18. So we got finally 1860. This is x bar is equals to sigma fi xi, summation of this value is 1860 by sigma fi. You know that sum of the frequencies, not the mid values, sum of the frequencies. What is the sum? 2 plus 3 5 plus 7 12 plus 6 18, 6 24, 6 30. So just simply write here 30, 0 0, they get cancelled, and 3 table check, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are, and finally we have got 62 as mean, arithmetic mean of this data. This is called group data. In group data, arithmetic mean by using direct method, and the solution is 62. In the same manner, once again I am telling you, you please be careful while multiplying the values when you get decimals, and also while adding the values when you get decimals. You please arrange them according to place values. So 35, ones tens, ones tens, ones tens, hundreds, hundreds place. Just you maintain the difference, maintain the gap. Then only you will not get any confusion. So you please, my dear students, practice this type of problems. You may get in the examination. You'll get good score. That's it.